On a quiet Tuesday morning, a father and son sit together in the living room, reflecting on Donald Trump's inauguration ceremony, which took place earlier that day. Did you watch the inauguration today? It was quite a spectacle. Yeah, I saw it online. It was interesting to see how it all unfolded. What did you think? It felt like a mix of hope and controversy. Trump has a unique way of addressing the nation. Wouldn't you agree? Definitely. He has a strong presence. But I noticed people were really divided about his policies, even before he took office. That's true. His supporters seem very enthusiastic, but there are also many skeptics. The speeches were powerful, but they also highlighted the divisions in our country. Son, I found it interesting how he talked about unity while also mentioning plans that might not sit well with everyone. It's like he's trying to bridge gaps but still rallying his base. Exactly. He emphasized the need for change and promised to put America first. It's a bold stance, especially in today's interconnected world. The crowd was huge, but I also saw reports of protests happening at the same time. It felt like two completely different stories were unfolding. Yes, that contrast was striking. You had supporters celebrating inside while protests were happening outside. It really shows how polarized things are right now. I also noticed the media coverage was so varied. Some outlets praised him, while others focused on the opposition. It makes me wonder how history will view this day. History often provides a nuanced view. Future generations will analyze these events just like we examine presidencies of the past. That's true. It'll be fascinating to see how his policies shape things, both here and internationally. Father, agreed. Regardless of our political opinions, it's our duty to stay informed and engaged. Son, absolutely. Discussing these topics helps me understand different perspectives. Conversations like this are so important for making sense of the world around us.